While draining the oil of your engine, there are five things that you must pay attention to, and I'll mention these five to you. The first one is the oil color. While draining the oil, you must pay attention to the color of the oil. The color must remain black. If you have another color except black of your engine, then there is problem, especially when the color is milky. It shows that dilution between the coolant and the oil. You must pay attention to the color. The color must be black. If the color is not black, then you need to call a professional to come and check your engine for you. And what is number two? Number two is the odor. You need to check the odor of the oil. The odor must remain oil odor. If you are hearing burning color, burning as if something is burning, then there is problem. It could be overheating. So you must check the odor of your oil. The first one is color, the second one is odor. These are the things that you must check while you are draining the oil. And what is number three? You must look for metal shaving in the oil. Is there metal shavings? If you see metal shavings there is a problem. You need to know what is the cause. Are you having metal or bearing problem? That could be a reason why you are having metal shavings in the oil. So these are number three that you must pay attention to. And what is number four? Number four is viscosity of the oil. Does the oil become too thick or the oil become too light? If you notice these, then there is problem. However, before you drain your oil, you need to know that you need to run the engine. When you run the engine and the oil become hot, the viscosity may become lower, the oil may flow normal. But when it's become too flow and too tiny, then there is a problem there. Or especially if the viscosity increase and the oil become thicker than usual, you should know there is problem with that engine. And what is number five? Number five is the quantity of the oil. The quantity of the oil must not increase. For example, if your engine consumes 4 liters and by the time you drain the oil, you could get about 8 liters or 6 liters. How come the increment? That is a problem. It could be that other liquid is mixing with the oil. So that is a serious problem that you need to look into. And if the quantity of the oil also reduce drastically, the quantity is supposed to reduce, because no matter as you drain the oil, some will not come out, some oil will not come out. For example, if you fill your engine with 4 liters, if you are getting 3 liters or about 3 point something liters out of the oil, good. But when you are not getting 2 liters out of the oil that you drain, there is a problem. It shows that your engine is consuming oil. It could be because you are having a bad rings. So these are the things that you need to pay attention to. So while draining your oil, you are not just draining, you want to pay attention to what you are doing. You want to pay attention to these 5 things I've mentioned. The color of the oil you are draining, number 1. Number 2, the odor of the oil. Number 3, you want to check for metal shavings in the oil. And number 4, you want to check the viscosity of the oil. And number 5, the quantity of the oil you are draining. If you can pay attention to these 5, it shows that your engine is healthy. If your engine is free from these 5 things I mentioned, that your engine is healthy. Do you love this information I just gave to you? Then follow my channel and give me thumbs up so that you could receive other information from me that are vital for the well-being of your engine. See you in another video. There are going to be another video pop up after this one that still has to do with your engine. I love your engine and I love you. See you in that video.